saw that my all-time favorite hairdryer that I've literally had for 4 years is currently 42% off. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. And as you can see, I have naturally wavy hair. So there are two different sizes that you can get. You can get the 75mm, which is more for long hair, or they have a 60mm, which is going to be for shorter length or shorter. In both of the sizing options, you can get the blush or the black. I'm going to link it below in the orange card. Be sure to grab it now and don't be like me and have to pay full price for it, because it is on a phenomenal sale right now.